It is August the 9th, 2004, and Elizabeth and I are in Riviere de Loup, Quebec. This is looking north up the St. Lawrence River, St. Lawrence Seaway. It's just a picture-perfect evening. There's no other way to describe it. Beautiful sunset there. This is looking south and west down towards Quebec City. Elizabeth, say bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Mademoiselle?
Bonsoir, mademoiselle.
No, not to me. Monsieur.
Bonsoir, monsieur.
Now, Elizabeth has pinpointed the mouth of the Saguenay River, which is where we're heading tomorrow. It's over that direction. It's pretty hard to pinpoint with this camera, but
right between the two boats that are out at sea.
It's right in that area. And it is 25 miles across this river. It's pretty amazing. But it is a seaway. It's a sea river, so it's full of salt water, and